Hi, I'm Rochelle Yates with eXp Realty NWA branch here in beautiful Northwest Arkansas. If it's your first time to the channel, hit the like and subscribe and ring the bell. It doesn't matter if you're moving in 90 days, 9 months, a year, or anywhere in between or anywhere beyond. I would love to help you find your next home here in beautiful Northwest Arkansas. Every week, I will be posting educational and informative videos about Northwest Arkansas real estate and life. I will be covering events before they happen, giving you a list of things that's coming up so you can plan. And then after the events, I'll be posting some things of things that happened here and all the fun that we had. I will also be posting new construction tours of homes in Benton County, mainly Bentonville and Centerton because it's fastest growing. We have a lot of construction going on, a lot of new subdivisions. Today we are at beautiful Featherston Village. It is right on the line. Like I said, sometimes it's Bentonville, sometimes it's Centerton. The builder here is Schubert Mitchell, and the houses that we will be touring today are brought to you by Elevation Real Estate and Management. The listing agent's name is Leah Childers. This subdivision is cool in the fact that if you like the game Monopoly, you would love it here. Every street is from that game. You can literally live on State Street. We have several listings on that street alone. But we all know that Massachusetts is prime real estate. You can live here without having to buy 4 houses and a hotel. But if Indiana is more in your budget, that's available also. So this subdivision has an HOA of $75 a month, and it has several amenities. There is this nice pond behind me. And then there is also a volleyball court, a pickleball court, an outdoor pavilion, a walking path that I will show you in a minute. But these houses, if you can see behind me, they are different styles, different colors. It's a very colorful neighborhood. There are 3 different floor plans, but the fronts look different in colors and shapes. Some have porches, some don't. Most of them are 2 stories, but we do have some of these 1 stories here. But there's currently none on the market at the time that I am filming this video. But they range in 900 to 1,300 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 2 bedrooms. So let's go check out some of those amenities now. So this is the walking path. As you see, it goes pretty far. It circles all around. It's very nice. And then here to the left is the first part of the dog park. There's benches for the parents to sit while the fur babies play. And then there is this electrical thing that's setting in front here. But it goes all the way around here on the side. Now, as you're coming out of the subdivision, there is another park across the street that has a play structure for the kids, another pond, and a dog park where it's sectioned between the big dogs and the small dogs. And this is the other side of the dog park. But as I said, there's a spot in between back here also. Now, coming on over, they also have an outdoor pavilion, a volleyball court, and a pickleball court. As you can see, they do have some more benches on the walking path here. So here is the outdoor pavilion that they have. You can hear some kids out here playing because it's so nice. But here is the volleyball court. As you can see, there's walkways between all of the buildings too, so it's got plenty of places to walk without having to go on the grass. When the grass finally comes in, I don't know what time you're watching this, but this is February, and it's not got much grass yet. It's starting to get a little green though. And then this is the pickleball court. And you can see some more of the houses here, what they look like. So this is on the other side of Featherston Village on the north side. This is the main street that runs between the two. But across the street there is this nice park that I also wanted to show you. It has a nice water feature there. It has a nice big play structure for the kiddos and benches for the parents to sit and scroll TikTok while they play. And then another dog park here for the fur babies and plenty of places to sit there. So it has its own parking here, and just wanted to share this with you because this community has a lot to offer. So before we get started with the home tour, I just wanted to show you a close-up of some of the homes that they have here available. This is one of the homes that I will be touring. And then they have these same floor plans. Like I said, there's 3 different floor plans. And some of them have different fronts. Some of them have porches, some of them don't. As you notice, it has those nice slender windows also, so they all don't look the same, but it still lets in a lot of light. They're very bright inside. So as I said, there's several different ones. If you want to give me your opinion of which one you like the best of the outlook, just drop a comment and I will reply to it and send you any information on that you need to know. So the first home we're going to go into is here at 900 States Avenue. So let's go and check this out. So this home that I'm looking at is 900 States Avenue, Bentonville, Arkansas, is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,250 square foot home listed at $259,000. As you come in, you see the staircase is right in front of the door. Then you have a heating and air unit here. Then here is the living area. Here's the kitchen. It has a nice big island and stainless steel appliances. Here is the first bath. It's technically a half bath, but they have it listed as 3 fulls. And this room is a flex area. It doesn't have a closet, but you could use it for like a small office or a nursery when the baby's downstairs, or maybe even the cat or the dog's room. We all know they come with accessories. So does the babies, actually, all 3 of them do. All right, so now we're gonna go upstairs. It has this window here at the turn of the stairs, which is nice to light this up really good during the daytime. So to the left, we have the hookup for the washer and dryer, stackable units. This is the first bedroom facing the front of the house. I'll stand in the corner so you can get an idea of how big the room is. And then this is the closet for this one. Then we have the second bedroom, pretty good size. And the closet on it. This is the shared bathroom. As you can see, it's got that nice granite countertop too. It's got a place to stack stuff on the bottom there. The vent does come on when you turn on the light on, which I would rather they be separate myself. This is the largest room. It would be the master. And it has a large walk-in closet. Very deep. And then it has its own bathroom itself. Looks like the vanity in this one might be bigger than the other one. So, like I said, if you stick around to the end of the video, I will tell you about the buyer's concessions. The seller is offering $10,000 in buyer concessions on the homes that are left in this neighborhood. So thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Remember, if you're looking to move in 90 days, 9 months, or a year, give me a call. I'd love to help you find your next home here. Thank you. Bye.